So today is the long overdue, very long overdue demolition of the back porch. Now, a good number of you had commented that this really needs to come down sooner rather than later, and you're absolutely right. It's just been a no-go zone really for anyone but me coming out the back door. It's taken a battering at this winter, but really it should have come down last year. So there's broken glass on the roof and a couple of glass panes missing, but the main problem is I'm a little bit concerned that the structure is relying on the glass, and if we take the glass out, the whole lot could come down. So it's going to be a bit of a Jenga jigsaw to get it apart safely, but we're going to do our best. We're going to do it safely, and hopefully I can get something up fairly weatherproof, because our back door is a little bit leaky. This corner is just hovering there. Actually, it's ready to come off completely, which is a bit concerning. So that's easy to come out. The main problem is the roof. A lot of this glass up here, while it is supported on the timber isn't necessarily supported down at the bottom because it's all pretty rotten. Pretty nice. I mean, people pay money for that. That's like sedum guttering. Not sure Joe will appreciate the feature, but we'll keep it somewhere. A lot more solid than it appears. All those glass panels at the top are actually silicon down, which is pretty strong to break, so I'm going to have to run a knife through there to cut the seals. Well, it was never going to come out in one piece. It's all getting a bit precarious up there. I hope the other one comes out like that. I know it does seem a bit odd taking the walls down before the roof, but the roof is just, I can't really get to it, and it's I've supported it fully on that beam that's going on 2 solid timbers, and it's pretty lightweight anyway, so it's fully supported. If I can take these out, then I can get to the roof, and I'm actually going to try and leave half of the roof intact for now to shelter the back door. So my plan is to leave that upright from the old door intact because it's actually pretty solid, and the roof between there and the house, I'll probably take the glass off and just put some polycarbonate or something on there, which should keep the prevailing rain off the back door. And then if I take away everything else, I might actually just knock up something quickly over the next few days just to kind of shelter it, because it is quite a useful storage space. beaten by time and the rain, and well, at least it's safe now. I've left that first section, which is pretty stable now, and I've put a support timber across there. I think realistically I'll just take the whole lot down, start again. We haven't got the funds to do anything elaborate or even kind of get a conservatory type kit to put there, so I'll probably have to cobble something together with just some standard off-the-shelf products, probably just timber and a polycarbonate roof, and then it might be that we clad one of the sides in timber and leave the other sides open. But there we go, you can all sleep easy now. The porch is down, or at least the worst parts of it, and I survived. So I'm going to batten up the hatches, and then we'll catch you next time on the next project. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself and stay safe, and we'll see you next time.